Hi everybody, I'm Damien Osborne and I'm a fine artist from Cape Town in South Africa, and I just wanted to do a quick video on abstract realism. I set up a still life the other evening for my art students and we were doing some cool exercises in abstract realism, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first of all I've got some pieces of Conte and charcoals. I've got some newsprint. And let's see, I'll start off with some compressed charcoal. So when it comes to abstract realism, the idea is not to do something that's really photographic or that you're going to earn good points for doing a good drawing. The idea is more for expressing yourself and just enjoying it, seeing what comes out, maybe being a little bit more wacky. And I really think it benefits your drawings and your paintings and other aspects. Especially when you want to do more realistic or representational art. I think the freedom of being able to just draw freely, I guess, is very beneficial. Okay, let me just go through it. So I'm using the side of my charcoal just to give a bit of a gesture and a tone. And I'm going to try and do this really quick. I like the grain of the bark, or the wood. It's got lovely direction and rhythm. These are all indigenous plants, aloe and cotyledons and things. I'm not quite sure what they're called. So I'm kind of using my still life more as an inspiration than blindly just copying things. It's actually quite difficult for me because I'm used to doing more sort of representational art, so it's a very good exercise for me too. It's sometimes difficult to just break out and just, make a mess. But it's cool. Kind of like playing jazz, I suppose, if you're a musician. Trying out all kinds of lines and light and dark lines. I guess the idea is to draw fast and not overthink it, and just allow your own sort of handwriting or calligraphy to come through. Think about the movement of things. It's a great exercise for learning gesture and seeing rhythms and movements and things, and just pushing the boundaries a little bit. This is compressed charcoal, and it's lovely because you can really get a lovely tone if you put it on the side, and you can get a line if you just get it on its edge. So yeah, don't be scared to make ugly drawings. Okay, next. I think it's very important to just have fun. Sometimes we put too much emphasis on making something look photorealistic or to look good. Sometimes it's good just to, enjoy and express oneself. So please tell me your thoughts, and I hope you enjoy it. And okay, thanks very much.